Welcome to this Python tutorial on creating QR codes. QR codes have become increasingly popular in our daily lives, serving as a versatile tool for encoding and transmitting information such as URLs, text, email addresses, phone numbers, and more. In this tutorial, we will explore how to generate QR codes using the Python programming language. By leveraging the power of Python and the qrcode library, we will dive into the process of generating QR codes step by step. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced Python developer, this tutorial will provide you with the knowledge and skills to create QR codes effortlessly. Firstly, we will have the directory structure as follows. The qrcode.html file will be responsible for displaying the QR code image, and it will be placed in the templates directory because we will be using Flask for this purpose. Of course, the app.py file will be the main processing file, including the code for generating the QR code and a local server to access the URL for displaying the QR code image. Sure, the basic libraries used are qrcode. This library is essential for generating QR codes. It provides functions and methods to create QR codes with various data types. Base64. We will use this library to convert the generated QR code into Base64 format. This conversion allows us to display the QR code image in the HTML template. Flask. Flask is a lightweight web framework in Python. We will use Flask to create a local server and render the QR code image in the HTML template. Now let's take a look at the basic structure of the app.py file. You may pause the video to understand it better. First, we render an HTML template named qrcode.tml and pass the Base64 image data as a variable called qr_image to be used in the HTML file. To display the QR code image in the HTML file, you can use the following code. This HTML template includes an img tag with the src attribute set to the Base64 image data using the qr_image variable. In this example for file app.py, we first import the qrcode module. Then we specify the content we want to encode in the content variable. Next, we create a QR code instance using the qrcode class, specifying the version, error correction level, box size, and border. After that, we add the data to the QR code using the add_data method and call make_fit_true to generate the QR code. In this updated example, we have added the Base64 and bytes.io modules to handle the conversion of the QR code image to Base64 format. After generating the QR code image, we save it to a bytes.io buffer in PNG format. Then we convert the buffer content to a Base64 encoded string using the Base64. B64 encode function. We import the necessary modules and create a Flask web application. We define a root/QR code that will generate and display the QR code. Finally, let's see the result of our work. Open the terminal and run the application by typing python app.py. In this example, I am running on port 5051, so the URL will be http:/localhost 5051 QR code, HTML. In conclusion, thank you for watching this video. Follow me so I can be motivated to create more high-quality videos with content that I think you'll enjoy. Bye-bye.